Welcome to the unboxing, setup and first run of Dreame RoboVac L10 Prime model. The purchase link is given in the description and pinned comment. Chapter 1 Unboxing. Carefully cut open the sellotape and you will find the actual box inside. Once you open, you have the RoboVac unit in this box. Carefully remove it. And then you have the dock. Time to unwrap. Let's unbox the RoboVac unit. There is the power cable and the two mop heads that you have to attach to the RoboVac. Make sure to remove these two pieces of plastic from either side of the RoboVac before you can start. Also remove this plastic peel from the LiDAR sensor. Attach the spinning brush and the two mop heads to their respective positions. That's all the accessories attached. Now you can place the wheels facing down. This is the dock unit. It has two containers, one for clean water and this is for the dirty water that must be emptied after it gets filled. Water has been filled. For the setup, download the Dreame app from the App Store and open the door and scan the QR code given in your RoboVacuum. Turn on the vacuum cleaner and then you would need to connect it to the 2.4 GHz or the 4G version of your Wi-Fi. To start the network setup, press the home button and the power button together for 3 seconds. After you hear the prompt, go in and connect to the hotspot from the RoboVac. After that, enter the Wi-Fi password and then you're done with the setup. Once it's done with the network setup, let it map the entire house. It might take from 10 minutes up to 30 to 40 minutes depending on the carpet area of your house. After it's done mapping, it will dock itself and charge. Let it charge fully before you start your first cleaning job. For optimal battery health, always keep the dock powered on. Never switch it off. Once it's done charging, you can start the cleaning job. You can choose between daily cleaning or deep cleaning, and you can also choose the power of the vacuum and also how wet the mop heads should be. The machine will automatically draw water from the clean tank and wet the mop and rinse it a couple of times before it starts. There is no need to manually clean the mop heads as it is cleaned automatically after each wash and before the wash.
It is getting the mop. It's showing here, it's getting the mop.
It's finally ready to clean. Thank you for watching. Purchase link is given in the description and the pinned comment. Make sure to remove loose cables and small objects from the floor before you start the cleaning process. Like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.